Health officials will tell you point blank the country's main health care facility, Princess Margaret Hospital, is.
I would term this as crisis.
Legacy issues like bed space still plague PMH, but government says they're doing something about it. In fact, Health and Wellness Minister Dr. Michael Darville led Prime Minister Philip Davis on a one-hour tour of PMH Saturday morning. Upon assuming governance, he says his ministry met a lot of wards at PMH gutted and not operational. Now, fast forward almost 2 years later, a modular unit is under construction to increase capacity, along with a list of other renovations.
A male medical 2 is being repaired, which will bring on additional bed space. Female medical 1 will be back into the system. Then we are renovating the basement of the eye ward, and shortly we will award a contract for the eye ward itself. That will bring on additional bed space to the Princess Margaret Hospital.
At peak performance, the hospital should be a 500-bed facility, according to Dr. Darville, but as it stands right now,
I can tell you today we have around 356 patients, but we have rose up to 424 patients. Not all of those patients being in physical beds on the ward, in the corridor, in the emergency room, in the chapels, sitting in chairs.
The health minister asserts that once the current renovations are wrapped up, they will help to address the current crisis. That, coupled with a new hospital in the capital and Grand Bahama, which he says will be rolled out within this tenure in governance. The hunt for financing on both projects is underway.
The hospital in New Providence had to go through a feasibility study, which is completed. We have a figure that we believe it will cost for the construction of that facility, but that is also out there now for the completion of financing.
But until then, the work at PMH continues. In September 2021, this is what the accident and emergency block looked like when we toured it with the PM. Fast forward to 2023, standing in the accident and emergency section again, which is still under construction, but you can see the magnitude of the work that has already been done to date.
As you tour accident emergency in the second phase of construction, you will see that on completion, that will definitely be a world-class facility, and the Bahamian people will be very proud of what we accomplish.
Theo Seeley, Eyewitness News.